Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unveiling some awesome projects tailor-made for those amazing teens in your life. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop on all the cool project ideas we've got for you. In today's lineup, our goals are pretty straightforward. Ignite creativity and imagination in teens. Offer hands-on learning experiences that go beyond the ordinary. Create a fun and engaging environment for both parents and teachers. Let's start with the automatic touch-based heartbeat pulse rate monitor. It's not just tech, it's a playful way for teens to understand their bodies. Stay tuned to see how it brings a touch of science into their world. Next, we've got the automatic information display on the 8x8 LED matrix. Imagine your teens diving into numbers and letters in a dynamic way. Get ready to witness their excitement as they explore the power of LED magic. Now, let's brighten up the room with the automatic street light project. It's not just about lights, it's about sparking curiosity. See how this project adds a spark to learning and gets those gears turning. Moving on to the automatic car parking traffic controlling system. It's like a mini traffic adventure, teaching teens about order and organization. Get ready for some hands-on traffic control. Our TouchSense lighting system is up next, adding a magical touch to your teen's space. Watch as they explore the wonder of touch-sensitive lights, sparking creativity at their fingertips. Water Level Indicator, a project that makes learning about water levels a splash of fun. Join us as we discover how this project can help teens understand the importance of water conservation. Automatic rain sensing, turning a rainy day into an adventure in technology. See how raindrop sensors can make learning about rain exciting for your teens. Now, let's unlock the RFID lock system with RFID tag. A playful intro to the world of security and technology. Watch as your teens explore the magic of RFID tags. And last but not least, the smoke detector. Safety meets education as we delve into how MQ2 sensors can teach teens about the importance of staying alert. Safety first, and learning always. Give these projects a try in your classroom or at home. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe for more exciting and challenging DIY tech projects. Until next time, happy experimenting and stay